Hello and welcome to Young Attack product demo. My name is Anastasia. I'm solution architect for Young Attack. And today in this video, we will look into some of dark store operations that are handled by our warehouse management system and our picker application. We will see how acceptance of goods from supplier looks and how placing these goods on shelves of the store work based on our systems. So let's go and see. So first of all, let's go to the operations tab of our warehouse management system. Here we see all the operations that happened in the store. So you can filter by the operation type or by the date or by any other parameter. And you see, for example, all the acceptance operations that happened in the store. There is also the possibility to go into the dispatch menu and see what is happening exactly now. So which operations are about to start, but have not started yet, and what is happening exactly now. And also you can see the operations that require your attention. So something was wrong with them. Today in our demo, we will look into acceptance part, and we will see how acceptance task is handled. So when goods are received by the supplier, and how those goods are placed on the shelf to appear in user application so your clients can buy it. On the left-hand side, you see our warehouse management system, and on the right, I'm sharing the screen of our picker application. So today, we will first do acceptance operation and then picking operation. Couple of words about where does this operation come from to our warehouse management system. Basically, there are several ways. It can be created by commerce team in our Woody ERP system. So as soon as it's approved in the ERP system, it automatically appears here. We can support integration with your ERP systems that you are currently using. And there is always possibility to create it manually or by bulk upload or through CSV file in our WMS system. So to start the process, picker opens all acceptance tasks. It's in an easy and user-friendly way here in the our picker application. He presses acceptance. He looks which tasks does he have for today. And we will go with this first acceptance from 23rd of April. So basically, the supplier comes, supervisor checks that what is, for example, the supplier name or ID of the document or like any other information that is supposed to be checked based on your process. And the picker can start picking the order that came from the supplier. We press view. So here we see these items that we need to pick. And in order to start the process, we press start, we press yes. And so again, the main concept is that all operations in our warehouse management system are done with scanning all the items. It brings the transparency and it gives the possibility, first of all, to check who was doing which operations in which period of time. So it's a great management tool and it brings a lot of transparency and again gives the possibility to track all metrics, and because everything what is done in the system is logged. So first of all, let's do the acceptance. Again, as in our previous videos of our picker application and WMS system, we need to scan the barcode of each item. First of all, we scan it, And here picker sees information, so how many goods he is accepting and what is the expiration date. So we should press that we are accepting 10 goods, right? In case you accept less or more, you can configure the system the way that such acceptance will be rejected, or if based on your contract and relationships with your supplier, if it's fine that he brings you less or more of items, then you can still accept it, but then discrepancy report will be automatically created in our system, so that then your commerce team can negotiate it with your supplier. So here we press yes, we press sure, and it goes the same way for other items. So we scan this item. Again, we check the number. We also have the notification here for the person who is accepting that it should be stored in the refrigerator. And again, we see the expiration date. And here I would like to stop for a moment to talk about expiration dates concept. It's crucial for grocery business to work correctly with expiration dates. And we support it the following way. So during the process of acceptance, picker checks and he can modify the expiration date or manufacturing date. This can also be configured. And as soon as the item is close to the expiration date, for example, 2 or 3 days before the expiration date, automatically expiration date control task will be created in our system to make sure that picker goes and checks the expiration dates. And in case the expiration date is soon, for example, this item can be written off or handled based on your process. You need to press finish. You need to confirm this, and this operation is finished. So here you see that, again, the statuses were updated nearly simultaneously. As soon as this operation was finished, automatically operation of order placing is being created. You can see it here, this operation placing in the picker application on the right, and it was just created in WMS system as well. So let's go to this operation. So physically, after you have accepted, for example, some big box from the supplier, you need to go and place each item on the shelf. So again, we need to press start. We press yes. We go and we scan the first item. And again, we see here information about manufacturing date. So if the picker needs to change it, it can be changed here. He can see how many items he has to place, how many same items are already on the shelf, and the shelf where he has to go and to place those items. Here, I also want to stop for a moment to talk about shelves and why it is here. So if we go into shelf and see the properties of each shelf, we see here information about the storage type. So if the picker, for example, takes this fish and goes to the other shelf, which has storage type of ambient shelf or dry shelf, simply the system will not let him place it in the wrong way. So based on this concept, we are always sure that picker places all items on the correct shelves, and we know where each item is, which is a great control tool. And inside the WMS system, we can see what is exactly currently on the shelf, and we can always run the operation of control, whether the physical stocks are the same as stocks that are in the system. But let's go back to placing process. So what I need to do is I need to go and scan the shelf AA. So I will do it here. So, but usually we recommend to print those QR code and put it on each shelf. So the picker goes, scans this QR code on the shelf and presses finish. He presses yes, and the status is updated automatically. We have here tag for sale, and it means that as soon as you have finished the placing process, this item will be available in the front application in several seconds. This is a great functionality that helps you to make sure that you don't have any like undersell due to the fact that you have accepted the huge box of items, but due to the problems in your system, for example, the information is not updated simultaneously, and you have, for example, some items that are already in the store, but you are not selling them, so it missed sales that influences really P&L. That's why our functionality gives you possibility to make sure that as soon as any SKU enters the store and you place it on the shelf, it's immediately available in the front application, in your client application, or on your e-commerce website. I hope you enjoyed our acceptance and placement product demo. Thank you for being with us. Have a good day. Goodbye. See you at our next product demos.